Hi, it's Abby and Cindy. Cindy, are there any foods that you refuse to eat?
No, how about you?
Well, I don't like broccoli, cheese, kiwi, chicken.
Okay, that's enough to prove our point that some people are more picky than others.
That's right, Cindy. Ben, a fifth grader from Washington, has a question for us about this. Let's give him a call.
Hi, Abby and Cindy.
Hi, Ben.
I have a question for you. Why are some people more picky than others when it comes to eating food?
That's a great question, Ben.
Now would be a good time to pause the video and discuss some possibilities.
Our DNA is what makes us who we are. Many picky eaters have food neophobias in their DNA.
Food neophobia is the fear of new foods, which is also affected by personal preferences.
All foods have different textures, colors, scents, and tastes. Some people have preferences relating to these, such as disliking mushrooms because of their rubbery texture.
Personal preferences are affected by the foods you grew up eating and how you were raised.
One of the biggest causes for eating habits is based on how you were raised.
If your family never fed you spicy food, then you would most likely dislike spicy food as an adult. Whereas if you grew up eating spicy food, you probably still like eating spicy food as an adult.
When our bodies are young and still developing, the types of foods we eat will become a part of us.
While all picky eaters have their own reason for disliking certain foods, in the end, most are related to how we were raised.
Parents choose how they raise us to try to give us the best life possible, whether that makes us picky eaters or not.
That's all for this week's question. Thanks, Ben, for asking it.
See you next time. Stay curious.